Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Additional Settings. Then select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Finally, you can click on Theme section, scroll down and choose Show More to see all the available ones. Then click on the best one for you. Now you can manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, choose Apply to save your keyboard. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up and customize it by choosing this plus icon under My Themes. Now you can click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on Done, manage keyboarders and choose Apply. In order to delete your keyboard, click on it, tap on this bin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to edit it though, click on it again, but this time tap on this pen icon and adjust it however you wish to. Now you can click on Save, tap on Apply one more time and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!